Amazon, I did eBay, I did Shopify, I had brick and mortar businesses. Follow me right now, as my main objective every day is to try to make money from the stock market. I'm on a road to 3 million. This episode, I'm not sure what it is, but this is just an intro. And right now you can see me break down videos on here on my YouTube. Look at the books, check everything out, and be in touch. Message me through here, Twitter. Get up with me. It's going to be a phone number, an email, and we can talk about any subject, stocks, crypto, what we need to in business. Let's go.
While I'm out of here, I'm going to make another video over here for RLMD. So this is another play. I mean, a lot different than our and some other stocks that I played recently. And honestly, I mean, this is a play from a while ago. I have a few videos. I think I even have a live one on this as well, where I was showing it the position on my phone. But I mean, great return. I mean, I'm buying this under $1, or I think my average might have been $1. And as you see, it goes the whole way up to 174, 74% in the matter of 3 days. Now, for me, with a play like this, again, I don't want to get into too many specifics because me personally, I don't see a lot of traders talking like this, or how can I say this the right way? I don't see them dropping this game, right? I just don't. I don't see them talking about trades like this, where I see them talking about right up here, these breakouts over $1 up in the 120. I mean, so. I see them talking about certain dip buys, which I respect, don't get me wrong. But at the same time, it's not the best thing you can do on this stock, right? Clearly, I mean, this is a numbers game. If you see that the stock went from $1 to almost $2, how is it the best play that it goes from $1 to 120, right? 20% on your money or 70% on your money, right? So for me, again, I don't want to get into too many specifics on a play like this. It's a lot different. It's a swing trade, right? Which might be the title of this video. It's a big difference between swinging some of these and day trading them. It's a big difference between scalping them and holding a day trade position, right? That's very clear to me. It took me a long time to really realize that, but once you have your wrists tight, your entries tight, sometimes if you're doing it right, you're buying the bottom of these stocks, right? You're not buying up here in the top. Because if you chase this breakout, let's just say, for example, you're chasing the breakout up here, you might not get in at $1. You might be getting in at 104, 105, 106. Yeah, you have this, but you see it flushes right there. It just goes straight back down to 80 cents or whatever this is, 90 cents, right? So again, this is one example I will put out there. I don't show too many of these. I don't know if I even ever showed another pattern like this on my YouTube yet, of me swinging like this way. But I mean, as you see down here on this daily, it just kept going up. This is where I was selling a good majority this day. I was actually in the park. I can show that clip. So I'm in the park and it's spiking up here in the morning. I'm getting rid of everything up here pretty much. I think, the last I sold was about here, and it kept going. Now, I did feel like, and this was the top, that, to be clear, it's crazy because I thought it could have went a little bit, but I also seen the volume wasn't really there. Let's see, it traded 2 million shares that day. I mean, again, I'm trying not to be greedy. And at the end of the day, I'm swinging it, but I'm also not swinging for the fences. This is what the stock is giving me. The stock is literally, it just keeps going up. So I'm not afraid and so tempted to sell everything. I have no problem with holding it. I remember that day too. I believe I might have played one other stock, right? I think ASNS. I'll pull that up. I believe that was all I played those couple days because it's giving me money. I don't have to be in and out up here over the breakout. I don't have to look for too many entries. And again, this is some serious game. And I say that because most of these people teaching or whatever, they might have been in this 5 different times. I'm in it at the bottom. Why would I be buying it as it goes higher, right? Yeah, you can add to a winner. And I'm not giving advice on how to buy or sell these, but You can. I mean, I see people do it. I've done it. But why would I? If we just do simple math, if I'm in it under $1 or at $1, why would I be buying it up at 140 and 150? 50% past my position. And I won't even really go into too much more about that. This is just to simply show you that you don't always have to be intraday. You can hold some of these. You can. It's a lot different than, like I said, some previous videos where I'm in and out quick, right? There's a time and place for that, but there's also a time and place for this. And I believe you can really maximize gains like this. You can really take some good positions and be safe as you're doing it, right? So as we look after this crash, I mean, it never saw that again. I mean, it got kind of close here this morning. This was Monday morning. I remember watching it, and it just ran. It literally just ran after that. Probably a crash coming soon. I was looking here thinking it could get up in this area, this $2 area, but I wasn't going to wait for it. I wasn't going to hold all my shares and say, oh, it might run and keep running and running. I'm not going to hold through certain crashes, but I'm also not going to get back in and destroy my average price. I don't need to, right? You have a clear win right here, and that's that. So yeah, I'm going for a double up in the park. I mean, straight like that. I'm gonna show you not the stock I'm in, but I'll show you where I'm in from. So I'm in, if you look right here, under $1 and it keeps going. I'm just holding it. I trimmed a lot, sold a lot, made some good profit, but I'm just gonna keep holding right now. I'm out in the park, as you see. Why not, right? I got my stop secured. I'm sitting there, I'm holding the stop, and we'll see where it goes from here. But to stay attached to the computer to keep adding, there was no point because my entry was great.